Hello, mathematicians. So we are on day 13, page 18 of our Unit 5 packet on polynomials and factoring. We are still working on our factoring method number three, of trinomials. We're using the Xbox method, and today we're going to be looking at when trinomials have an a that is greater than 1. Yesterday we kind of focused on when a was equal to 1. Now we're looking when a is greater than 1. The factoring steps are still the same. We're still using the same method of Xbox. So I'm not really going to go over this too much. We're just going to kind of jump right into it. So we're going to look at number 1 for today. We want to always make sure that the trinomial is in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, which is exactly what we have here. So I'm going to take the a, which is 3, and c, which is 8, and I'm going to multiply them. All right, and that's going to give me 24. And then I'm just going to copy over our b, which is 10, and put it on the bottom. Same things like yesterday. And I'm looking for two factors that when I multiply them give me 24, but when I add them together will give me 10. So again, you could also watch that video that I posted on how to find factors in your calculator. That could help you. And here the factors are going to be 6 and 4. Okay, when I multiply 6 and 4 together, I get 24. And when I add them together, I get 10. Now I'm going to put that right back into my trinomial. It'll just become a larger polynomial. So I have 3x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. Okay, again, if I were to simplify 6x and 4x, I would get 10x. So again, we're working backwards. I'm then going to do the same thing. I'm going to paste parentheses. Around both pairs, and I'm going to take out the greatest common factor. So for the first set of this, I could pull out 3x. And what I have left over is x plus 2. And for the second set, 4x plus 8, their greatest common factor is 4. So I'm going to pull out a positive 4. And I'm going to have x plus 2. And if you notice, my two parentheses of binomials are the same. So with the properties of addition, multiplication, I could combine 3x plus 4 Okay, now that becomes my final answer. And if we want to check, I'm just going to check here on the side. Again, there might not be enough space for you, so please make sure you're using your notebook. I'm going to do the area arrow. I have a 2 by 2 because I have two binomials. So 3x plus 4 and x plus 2. 3x times x is 3x squared. 4 times x is 4x. 3x times 2 is 6x. And 4 times 2 is 8. And here I have my like term. It's on my diagonal. And if I copy down the rest, 3x squared, 6x and 4x will give me 10x plus 8. And that is exactly the trinomial that we started with. Okay, thank you, ladies.